our grand total was, drum roll, for the whole year 2020 is What's up, Picture Us Rolling fam? It's your boy Jay
and Nifa, and we're back
with our side of the story. As the title, you can tell,
we're talking about money.
We're talking about how much we made in 2020 as a YouTuber. You feel me? So
we kind of like stuttering over this thing.
I'm sorry though,
we're sorry.
But make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, be notified. What you waiting for, guys? It is free. Free. We're gonna tell y'all for each month what we paid, what YouTube paid us, aka Google Accent.
Yeah.
So we're gonna tell y'all each month for this year, and at the end we'll tell y'all the total what we had got.
Right, but you all know that doing YouTube, you know, you have to get monetized.
Yeah, get money. You know the requirements. You gotta get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch time to be qualified to be a partner of YouTube.
And a lot of people think, oh, I could just do YouTube and I'm gonna just get paid.
No, it's more to that. It's more to that. It's
work.
You just gotta meet the requirements. But as before, why YouTube, when they get paid us, or why we get paid, it's called a thing called residual income. If you don't know the definition of residual income, here you go.
So, I have to pull it up on my phone. Residual income is the level of income an individual has left after all personal debts and expenses are paid in personal finances. The level of income can be used to help figure out the credit worthiness of a potential borrower.
Now, let me break that down. As us being entrepreneurs, we've always been entrepreneurs. Doing multi-level, how you say multi-level?
We was in MLL.
Multi-level marketing. I said
MLL. Multi-level marketing.
Yes.
MLM.
And it's a thing what you do once and you get paid for it forever. You feel what I'm saying? With a YouTube video, like for example, you post a video, I'm gonna say now, and a year later, you still getting paid for that video. And you get paid on the 21st to the 26th every month. Once a month you get paid. But
so wait, hold on, I want to explain to them and tell them why we decided to start YouTube, or why did we do YouTube?
Why we did YouTube? Because we need extra income. As living in Miami, we started in Miami. By living in Miami, the cost of living was high.
Yeah, we was.
You feel me? And it's like we pinching pennies. It's like
we was trying to figure out another hustle.
Exactly.
What could we do?
Another way of income.
Right,
so
another income.
We seen YouTube. You feel me? And we like, oh man. And our first YouTube we looked at was Kennedy Era.
And I want to say a lot of people feel like, you know, sales. Let's say I want you to join my business, right?
Yeah.
We not them people. Hey, join our business, get on our team, or that's Kit Kat making all that noise.
She's trying to get in the box. I'm sorry, y'all.
But some people not good salespeople, or they sell candles, they sell Tupperware, they sell this, or they having this kind of sale, or join my team, or you know, you have to pay this amount of money in order to start a business, or like getting started. You have to pay X amount of dollars, and a lot of people feel like they don't. A lot of people don't have that extra income or extra money to say, hey, I can pay $300 to start a business, but now how do I get my money back? How do I start making money?
I get the money.
Right. Or how do I start getting people on my team and things like that? That was a little not difficult, but that's just wasn't the way for us to go.
Yeah.
So when we saw YouTube, we figured, okay, YouTube, hey, we can do this. It looks like fun. Right.
Yes. As one thing I love about YouTube, with YouTube getting started is free. You don't have to do nothing.
Right.
If you got a good camera on phone, you can start from a camera phone and build your work and make the requirements of making 1,000 subscribers and get your 400 watch time. And from there, you start getting ads on your video.
Right.
And from there, that when the pay start coming in, you don't get paid that same month. You gotta do your work.
If you do,
you gotta work. You gotta work for that month. So when that pay period comes, you don't get paid that month. You get paid the following month.
it's like a regular job. Some people decide, well, if I put my time in at work, I'm gonna get paid. So I work 2 weeks, I get a check. I go in and I'm trading my time for money, basically. You're trading your time for money. What we decided to make extra money, we decided, well, we can do YouTube. It looks like fun, why not?
We love, I ain't gonna lie, we love
we didn't really know anything about getting paid from YouTube in the beginning.
At the time when we got started, it said you just need a 100 subscribers to start getting paid. That's when we started.
Yeah, but we really didn't look at it like, oh, we gonna get paid.
We had fun.
We was just having fun.
Yeah,
and then we built the audience like with y'all. And y'all got to, you know, we invite y'all into our life so y'all can get to know who we are and get to know us better and stuff like that. And it just, YouTube is fun, but it's also work. Anything you do in life is gonna be work. It's gonna work. I mean, it's gonna be work. And a lot of people look, well, you know, well, my subscribers is not where I want them to be, or it's not growing my channel, and you feel stagnant. The thing is that we learn, run your race. Run your own race. Don't look to the left, don't look to the right.
Look, number one, pay attention, get excited, and never quit. And have fun.
Have fun.
Have fun. Do what you love. If you like to do gaming,
she is actually in the box.
Yeah, she in the box.
In the box.
That's Kit Kat.
Sorry.
But if you do anything you did, man, you don't even gotta show your, a lot of people think they gotta show their face and stuff. You don't even gotta show. It's people who just put pictures up and talk and teach about this or show you how to cook. You ain't gotta put your face on it. ASMR.
Or some people feel like, well, what do I do? Or how I'm gonna do this YouTube? Or I'm afraid of cameras. I'm shy. I don't like to be in front of the camera.
You ain't gotta be in front of the camera.
We don't have an audience right now, but guess what? I know y'all watching this. You get what I'm saying?
I feel that's like
we're not physically in front of people.
Yeah.
So that kind of makes it a little easier.
But I look at it like this: how many people go on social media and
post
selfies and this and that? Yeah. That's a start though. But this is not meant for everybody. So
correct.
Y'all get what I'm saying? But I know we get too much jaw jacking right now.
No, it's not jaw jacking, baby. Because
we giving them information from our side of the story.
Yeah, that's how I feel. Like we just giving them valuable information. Also, like another thing with YouTube, a lot of people question and ask this question. Well, what do I do, or how do what's the question? I don't know what it is that I want to do, but I want to do YouTube.
You gotta just find your niche. You gotta find out. You just gotta go ahead and find out. Like some people did everything and they started doing reactions and
it worked.
It took off for them. Or they just started, man, I just started eating and it just took off for them.
It worked for them. Just get started. That's how I look at it. Just get started. Because once you get started, then you will find
your niches,
your ways along. You know. So an extra income, an extra $100, $200 a month is always a help for anybody.
In order to get paid through YouTube, you got to meet the threshold of $100.
Right. In order for them to pay you out. Also, I'm just trying to think of everything that most people ask doing YouTube or things like that. Well, how do they pay you? I don't have a bank account, or I don't have.
You make an Accent account. So when you make an Accent, like when you meet the requirements, you sign up an Accent account. They'll show you in Google. YouTube will send you something that hey, you make an Accent account.
You have to have an email first.
So when you got to have an email.
Yeah.
So you make an Accent account, do the requirements of what the information you need to get them, and from there you put if you want the son to send a check to you, you can get it by check.
Right.
Or you want a direct deposit, you can put your card information and it'll be directly deposited to your
account. That's through Google.
That's through
YouTube.
Google Pay.
Is through Google.
Man, Google is YouTube and YouTube is Google. So
we wanted to make sure we kind of we cover all the bases
of everything that you need to know.
Right.
Now we finna get into how much we made in 2020. But hold up, wait. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, be notified, guys. It is free. So we're gonna get into it. January 2020. Our check was $111.63. That's what our first check of January was. Now February, like I say, you gotta meet the threshold. We made on $100. March, we made $142.76. April, we made $302.04. May,
that was like, I'm sorry to stop you. That was like, ooh.
Like, oh
you
yeah,
know, an extra $300. Like, yeah.
See, I know a lot of people like, oh, that's nothing. This and that. Look, an extra $100 to $200 a month.
It helps.
It helps. It really helps.
For whatever it is you need it for.
Exactly. May, we had, for the month of May, we made $242.14. June, we made $313.03. For the month of July, we made $206.70. For the month of August, we made $197.13. For the month of September, we made $294.39. For the month of October, we made $319.09. For the month of November,
this is where we
didn't get paid because you got to make the threshold of $100. We only made $86.
And we didn't get paid.
We didn't get paid, but they hold that. Listen, they hold that. The money you made, they hold that, and they accumulate with the next month.
For the next month, right?
So you meet the threshold of $100. So in the month of December, the last time we got paid is $376.95. And our grand total was, drum roll, for the whole year 2020 is $2,691.86. I know to some people that may seem like, oh, that's nothing, but some people, look, an extra $100, $200 a month. Hey, that's good. $2,000 and $2,691 for a year. Like, why not? I take that any day. That's extra money. Now, when you want to get into the detail of making more money, it depends what type of videos you put out. Videos of entrepreneurship, or you put videos of talking about technology or banking and stuff like that, the money will come in more. There's some people make $2,000 a month for one video. So you just keep on shooting your shot, man. It's like a dartboard. You're trying to hit the target. You keep on.
Just keep going.
Keep going, man. Just keep going. Have fun. Pay attention,
get excited, and never quit.
So we ain't gonna keep this video too long.
Hold on, I got some more to say. And also, some people feel like, well, I can't find the time. I'm too busy. Then maybe YouTube ain't for you.
Yeah, it may not be for you.
It just may not be for you, even if you want to do it. Also, another thing, hello people, if you're doing YouTube, consistency
is the key. Consistency.
You have to stay consistent, because your audience are waiting for you. They're looking for you.
Hey, and if you don't
post, they're like,
oh, you want sometime. Then people wonder why, like, oh, I got my subscribe count here, but my views is like this, because you're not consistent. Cause
you have to stay consistent.
Like, for example, it's other YouTubers I always watch. You feel me? Like, I'm like, well, I be waiting for them videos, videos.
And when they don't post, it's like, oh, what are you at?
Like, oh man, I can't depend on you. Like,
yeah, so you have to stay consistent, and you also need to get a schedule. If you're gonna post every day, post every day. If you're gonna post twice a week, post twice a week. find days to post on those days.
Like for us, we chose to post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and go live Sundays.
Sundays is optional.
It's
we don't have to go live.
Bonus.
We just do it because
that's the extra bonus. And for us, as an extra bonus, as like, cause that's like part time. You feel me? But it's like an extra bonus as to get to know us. You feel me? That's our way of doing things. You feel what I'm saying? Now it's so full time that they post 4-5 times a week.
So if you met the threshold of getting $100, what is it? No, the how many subscribers?
The 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch time.
If you met that, go live. It helps with your watch time.
It do help with your watch time.
That helps with your watch time. If you're needing watch time, go live. Name it, get to know me. You know, maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour. You know, it just depends. Yeah. So that's what we made in 2020.
So, and now it's 2021. We finna go ahead, put our head down, and just grind. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, be notified. We wait for guys. It is free.
And remember, some will, some won't.
So what? And we'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye.